This is the last week one. I did 132,256 steps. Amazing. Before, I don't know how many steps I am doing. I'm not counting. I'm not aware. But now that I know that I can monitor it, yeah, my goal now is to always be on the top. Now I am the second. But actually, I want to defeat this one. I want to be the winner. I want to be the top one. So I feel like going to walk around. Yeah, this basically is a weekly challenge. Hopefully there is no rain because I am going to reach the goal to be the top one. Oh, this is nice, beautiful Land Cruiser. You know that McDonald's is actually open 24 hours, but only open for drive-thru, if I'm not mistaken, after 12 o'clock in the morning. And this is the price of the petrol. On the other side, there is Volkswagen Transporter. Yeah, the one similar to my one. Most of the cars that is parked here, yeah, they are actually for sale. I don't see the price of this, but this one, this Volkswagen Transporter 2019 is actually 48,000. Yeah, exactly 48,000. And then another Volkswagen Transporter is 29,000. Yeah, the back is different, kind of youth. And then this one we will see also. Yeah, these are a used car. I don't know. Oh, this one is 24,500. Yeah, mileage is 117 kilometers. And then this one is 31,950. Yeah, this is manual and already did 245 kilometers. I don't see the price of this. I don't know. Also, yeah, the petrol station, they are open 24 hours, but not totally. Like after 12 o'clock, there is just a window where you can buy the gas or buy something. Yeah, you cannot go inside, it's closed. This one, I don't know the price, I don't see the price. This one also, very small lettering, I don't see the price. Oh, this Kia is beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is just 2,500. 2007 Kia Grand Carnival. 2,500. Yeah, it still looks beautiful. There are some scratches, but it still looks good. Nice. Now, where are we going now? Over there? Or here? Actually, over there. Actually, we go this way. There is actually the small, a secret passage going to sports center and going to Tumari High School. But maybe it is not open because today is Saturday. Because this is the way of the students, so maybe it is closed. We'll see. Oh yeah, looks like it is closed. Yeah, it's closed. There is a lock. There is a padlock. So I cannot go there. I'm not going there. Let's go to the original plan of going this way. Yeah, you know, last time I walked to the other side, to that one, because there is a walking trail over that side. Yeah, I thought I'm going to end up somewhere just there, but I actually end up on the other side. Unexpected. Wrong. But yeah, it's good because I did a lot of walking during that time. Yeah, walking is good. There is actually a basketball court over that side. When Rafael was still here, yeah, and Erickson, they always play basketball there. They are always asking me to join with them, but yeah, I don't know how to play basketball. Actually, when I was a kid, Yeah, I always play basketball with the other kids in the province. But yeah, then after high school, went to Manila. I studied there, and yeah, I did not able to play with the other people, with the other kids, or with the other same of my age, because I had the, like a inferiority feeling, inferiority complex. Yeah, because I look up to those people who live in Manila. That's the basketball court, but yeah, we're going to decide. And there is another home for the aged here. Yeah. When I was having my bike before, I always get through this way. For sure, you remember this area. Yeah, where there is a little lake here, a pond actually, this area. Sometimes there's no water, but today I can see a lot of water. Yeah, also a lot of birds in this area. Yeah, over that side, there is that kind of long neck bird, long neck, long legged bird, white one. And also lots of cygnet, lots of flowers in the water. I don't know the name. And this is a little empty space like this. There is a sitting area. Lots of flower, kind of water lily. I'm not sure. I don't know what is this called. Kind of brush, a shower brush. Yeah, don't feed the swans and ducks. Steps that I did now is already 191,044. No, it's 19,179. And my heart rate is 100. Yeah, usually when I am sitting in the van, when I am driving, yeah, it's just 60, 70, 80 something. But when I am walking or working in the kitchen especially, yeah, it's about over 100. There are some lorikeets here. Yeah, you can see that lorikeet. They fly away. Should we keep on going? Or, yeah, we go this way. I believe that is normal. Oh. Lots of birds. No, not lots, but yeah, these backyards of these houses. Look at these tiny, tiny flowers. Let's have a closer look. That is how it is. A snake. I don't want to see a snake. Yeah. Sometimes in the local Facebook page, they are posting a snake that they've seen while walking around, yeah, the area. I don't want to see. Okay, let's check the Garmin Connect. Oh no, I am now again on the second, the third. Yeah, I am the third at the moment. I was a second a while ago. So probably this guy, this Yubraj, yeah, he's maybe walking also at this moment. But it's okay, it's just 670 steps. I can do that. Oh, where this one is going? Oh, there is this kind of fruits. Not edible for sure. And we end up this way. If I'm not mistaken, this is the road before that I went through when I was doing my driving lesson. Yeah, yeah, it is. Oh, look at those. They're kind of table. Yeah, if you see something like that, yeah, you can take that. That is free. I'm checking the app, and I'm again, yeah, I'm again the second to the top. Yeah, I got 95,902 steps, and your Brudge is 95,607. And Mr. James, the top one is 102,485,000. Yeah, nice. And this challenge is actually up until tomorrow. We are now here at the roundabout. And you know, maybe notice this. Yeah, this one is a pedestrian, but there is no pedestrian lane. I mean, there is no zebra, so the vehicle is the priority. And we are now here at the beach. Oh, I can see that it is low tide. We're not going to the sand because I am wearing a shoes. I don't want sand in my shoes. And we are the world. We are the children. We are the one to make a better place. And let's start giving. Actually, I'm going to show you how it is at the moment. Yeah. It is beautiful here. Where are people crying or dying? Yeah, this is how it is. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, like what I've said, it is low tide at the moment. Yeah. There are some grass over there in the water. Water grass. Yeah, we're not going down there because I'm wearing a shoes. I don't want any sand in my shoes. But we are now here. For sure you are very familiar to this place. Yeah, that is where I usually park, and also where I usually do my pull-ups and chin-ups. And I'm still about 2 or 3 kilometers to Salamander Bay Shopping Square, where I parked the van. Water is actually getting high up now. Yeah, so it's becoming high tide. Instead of going to the road, going to the Salamander Bay, we're actually going this way. It's not the sand, but just a walking backyard of the houses here. Look how beautiful it is here. Yeah, the sand is white. Yeah, I always mention that the sand here in Nelson Bay is actually white compared to the sand in Newcastle, which is brown. Oh, there is kind of a wedding pictorial. Yeah, group of ladies wearing beautiful clothes. I don't want to distract them, so I'm going to the sand actually. That is actually a walkway, public walkway, but yeah, I don't want to disturb them. Nice. They are kind of dancing. Maybe this is something before wedding, you know? It is actually okay to walk here because yeah, the sand is not very soft. But we are going up here now. Oh, yeah. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Yeah, it's so good to walk around here in the Bay Area of Port Stephens. Oh, there are many black swan down there. I will show you. Those are black swan. Yep, 40, 40 black swans. Yeah, all the other black swans, they are, yeah, just around the bay. Some beautiful different colors of flowers here. Yeah, nice. Beautiful. It is cloudy. The other word for cloudy is overcast. I think overcast. I'm not really sure. And we are now here. Yeah, there is a camper van. Yeah, we are back here in the van in the shopping center. Yeah, I basically ran out of memory card. That's why I stopped recording. Yeah, and now I win. I mean, not yet, but I am now the highest. Yeah, I already got the highest steps. Let me show you. Yeah, as you can see, I am now the top one. The steps that I did for this week is already 104,308. Yeah, very nice. Amazing. So, yeah, basically these people, these are the top 10 with a lot of steps. Tomorrow will be the last day of this 100 steps weekly challenge. And I am now hungry. I'm going to eat the food that I bought in Coles. Yo, good afternoon everyone. Yeah, we are here at the Salamander Bay Shopping Square, and I have these bottles. I'm going to put it in the return and earn. I saw in TikTok, there is one guy, yeah, just one bottle, he just keep in pulling it up and putting it back like that. Yeah, and so he get a lot of money. So transfer to my account. And you know, yesterday there is an accident. One of the car get upside down and the other one is just broken on the side. Yeah, and I saw the people, yeah, they are injured. I did not take a pictures or video because it's a sensitive matter. My conclusion for that accident is because both sides is actually green, so both of them are go, but the other one actually on the side should wait. Okay, yeah, I'm going, and Inigo is actually, yeah, we're going somewhere. I don't know where he wants to go. I just finished my duty actually, and I'm still hungry. That's why I'm going first to KFC, buy something, eat something. Yeah, maybe, I don't know, maybe Inigo already ate because yeah, it's already 2 o'clock. We are now here in Costco.
We're using Robbie's new camera. This is I'm going to send this back home. This I will try.
Ham.
Help is required for this item. Please continue scanning other items. Help is on the way.
Yeah, if that's not gone through, I got you.
Costco actually closed at 6 o'clock.
The hot dog. Send this.
O, dun sa bubong nila ang lalagay ang gamit nila.